Hey all you BlackBerry users, Todd here from NiceBlackberry.com. Today I'm going to demo In the Know with a sliding bottom dock on my BlackBerry 9700 Bold 2. This theme is available for all newer model BlackBerries that are running operating system 4.6 and above, which is the Bold 2, the Bold, the Storm, the Tour, the 8900, the 8520, 8530, the Pearl Flip, 8220, 8230, as well as the 8350. I think I got it all. So let's go through this and let's demo this on my 9700. So as you can see up top, you've got your battery, you've got your profiles icon, which I'm hovered over top now, so it's blue. You've got your Bluetooth, then you've got your carrier and Wi-Fi connection, you've got the date, you've got all of your individual indicators here: messages, text message, phone call, voicemail. You've got your time, signal strength, and then your Wi-Fi below that. If you'll notice, everything is synced up real well on this. As I'm able to test everything on the different devices, I make sure that it's all right. So as you can see, when it's thinking here, as far as the data goes, it's just above the AM sign, AM indicator. So you'll be able to see that as you go about. So here's what we've got. This is a Today Plus theme. You've got your messages, and then you've got your calendar entries, which these are fixed icons, and then down here on the bottom you've got 15 icons, and it's a sliding bottom dock. So as I said, I'm hovering over top of profiles icon now, and that changes as you switch anything. So if I go here and hit my Q button, change it to vibrate only, you'll see that changes up there to the vibrate, and then I can hit Q again and it'll change it to normal. So that's what happens there. Go down, hover over top of messages, you get a nice blue highlight bar, and then you can basically go down and hover over each individual message. And here's how it works. If you hover over top of, I'll hover over top of this second message. I'm going to zoom out to protect everyone's identity, but I'm hovering over top of the second message. If I go ahead and click that message and I go in here, I can review this message, reply to this message, delete this message, whatever I need to do, and then basically click the back button, and what you'll see is it then rolls up to the next message. So the messages, as you review them from the individual messages themselves over the highlight bar here, it just rolls through all your messages until you have no unread messages. Calendar entries, much the same. Highlight the calendar, and then you've got 3 individual calendar entries here. You can hover over top of all of these, and you can go ahead and click on that. So if I grab the last one and I click on it, take it in here, I can read, review, I can do whatever, I can change it, and then what I do is menu, I'd hit save, and then I'd go back to the home screen. Take a few seconds to sync up, but it'll eventually sync up there. If I had any appointments set for today, it would actually show the time rather than the month and the day on that. So that's how that works. Now on the bottom dock, basically, like I said, you've got 15 bottom dock icons. There is a memory in here, so if I go ahead, I'm hover over top of that, and then I go up. When I come down, it's going to remember. If I go to this third icon and I go up, when I come back down, it's going to remember that I was on that. And here's how it works. It appears that there are 5. Go ahead and slide yourself over to this 5th icon, and basically when I go to the right, it slides over the rest of your icons here, and then again I'm there, so it'll slide me to the final 15 where it ends out, and then basically again you'll slide to the left to go back. Again, as I stated, it's got the memory involved, so I'm on the search icon now. If I go up and I come back down, it remembers that I'm on the search icon, and it puts me back on that icon. Much the same with the calendar icon. So that's how that works. Slide it back, and now you're on the you're on that. You can see it's got the name of the app as you hover over top of it. So if I go to text messages, it says SMS and MMS. That's how that works. All bottom dock icons can be arranged from your main icon screen. So if I go in here, you've got 15 icons on the home screen, so you can arrange them any way you want. If I grab Manage Connections and I go ahead and say Move, and I throw that up into the first position and push the trackpad to complete the move, go back to the home screen, and there you'll see it. It's managed connection. So these are all interchangeable to put whatever 15 icons you want here on the bottom dock. Let me go back into the main screen. Lots of questions on this stuff, so I want to answer this now. There's where's my call log icon and everything else. If you go into your applications folder and basically hit menu, then go down and do a show all, here's where you're going to find your phone icon. So you'll want to click that. You want to go down to unhide it, and now it'll be unhid. Then you can go ahead and grab this. You can say move to folder. I'll move it to the home. Then I need to go back to the home all the way. There it is. And now I can go ahead and grab it and move it all the way up to the top. So if I move it up there to the top spot, click back to the home screen. There you've got your telephone icon now on the bottom dock home screen here in slot 1, as you'll see there. So that's how you work moving stuff around. Whenever you install a new theme, everything gets kind of put back in its respective folder. You need to go search it out. It's very easy to find. Just do the menu show all, and there we go. I hit them all, so that takes care of that. Basically, this is my daily device now. I retired my other Bold. I may use it periodically on the weekends or what have you, but I'm going to keep using this. It's a great model, BlackBerry, and I like the trackpad much better than trackball. But with a demo video, I think you need to give it real world. I want to show you guys. I've got a lot of apps installed, as you're going to see here. I mean, I've got Pandora, I've got Amazon, I've got my Netflix queue manager, I've got AT&T Navigator, Quick Pull. I mean, I can go on down the line. I've got a bunch of apps in here. So this is about as real world as it gets. All of these apps are workable apps. They all they're not just here for show. I use them. I use the device memory, and I can tell you that this theme does not run slow in any way, shape, or form. It's just as quick as possible. So that works out really well. But this is in the know with a sliding bottom dock. Basically, you've got your messages, you've got your calendar, and then on the bottom you've got 15 sliding icons that slide across in sets of 5. So third set 5, second set 5, and then you go back to your first set of 5 for all your favorite apps. And as I showed you, they're all user configured, so go ahead and switch that around. In the know, sliding bottom dock, and again, it's available for many BlackBerry models. You can see all my themes at niceblackberry.com, where there's high-res screenshots, demo videos, descriptions, and then you can also purchase that. You can also purchase all my themes there. So thanks very much. We'll see you guys again soon, and have a great one.